Good day, my dear student. Today, I am going to discuss our fourth module for third quarter, and the title is Types of Bread for Different Sandwiches. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the basic components of sandwiches. Recognize each type of bread, select appropriate bread for sandwich making, and state the importance of using appropriate bread on preparing different sandwiches. Basic components of sandwiches. The difference between eating and savoring food is usually defined by the quality of the ingredients. Even with the humblest of foods, the sandwich, the quality of the ingredients matters. There are three basic components to any sandwich: the bread, the filling, and the spread. Each part contributes in making a sandwich greater than the sum of its parts. So the first component is the structure or base. It is the part upon which the ingredients are placed. It consists of various types of bread slices or bread rolls in which acts as a base. The second one is the moistening agent, which acts as the protective layer between the filling and the structure, preventing the filling from softening or wetting the bread. It is also meant to bind the sandwich, providing an improvement of both flavor and texture. Moistening agents can be in the form of mayonnaise, softened butter, sour cream, mustard, dips or spread, or an appropriate cold or hot sauce. And the last component of our sandwich is the filling. It is the main flavor of the sandwich, and the choices are nearly unlimited. It consists of one or more ingredients that are stacked, layered, or folded within or on the structure to form the sandwich. The filling can be hot or cold and comes in any form of cooked cured meat, fish, poultry, cheese, eggs, and salads like tuna, chicken, and egg. They are all common protein fillings. Okay, there are different types of bread. The first one is the yeast bread. This refers to bread that uses yeast as a leavening agent. This bread is the most commonly used type of bread. Yeast breads are of different types. The first one is the white bread. It's a long rectangular loaves that provides square slices and has light color. It is one of the most versatile bread for which sandwich made with flour that has been through a refining process. This is from in various flavors and goes well with everything and toasts nicely. Another type of yeast bread is rye bread. Simply bread made with rye flour with a stronger taste than white and whole wheat bread. Rye bread is often made with combination like molasses and cocoa powder that add color and flavor. The third one is the whole wheat bread. It is also called wholemeal bread. It is a classic bread for sandwiches made of flour that is partly or entirely milled from whole or almost whole wheat grain. This is nutritionally superior to white bread. It tastes better and have more interesting textures, slightly more compact and brownish in color. Okay, another type of bread is the buns and rolls. And here are the different types of buns and rolls. The first one is the sandwich rolls. Come in all sizes and usually round or oblong individual loaf of bread. Hamburger buns and hot dog rolls are commonly used to make sandwiches. Another type of buns and roll is the French and Italian bread. These are rolls including sourdough and ciabatta that is split horizontally. French bread is often long in shape and rounded edges, while Italian bread is more circular and flat. This type of bread works well for grilled sandwiches. Okay, the last type of buns, we have the flatbread. Our bread made with flour, water, and salt, and then thoroughly rolled into flattened dough, open unleavened bread. Okay, so let us now proceed with the types of flatbread. Okay, pita bread is the first one. It is unleavened bread, comes in both white and whole wheat. When the flatbread bakes, it pops up, forming a packet that is perfect for stuffing. Okay, another type of flatbread is the focaccia. Okay, it is a type of flat Italian bread made with yeast and olive oil and flavored with herbs. It is a cousin of pizza, an inch or more thick and very rich in olive oil. Lavash. It is a small rectangular thin, soft or crisp flatbread. It is made with flour, water, yeast, and salt, baked in a tandoor. When softened in water, can be rolled around as topping to make a pinwheel-shaped sandwich. And the fourth type of flatbread is the tortillas. They are flat, circular, and typical food, similar to a thin flat bread. It is usually made from unleavened corn or wheat flour. It is preferably used for quesadillas and burritos. Okay, we also have the sandwich wraps. It's either whole wheat or spinach flavor. Okay, for the quick bread, which is the fourth type of bread, these are bread raised by chemical leavening agents such as powder or baking soda. Biscuit, banana bread, and carrot bread are examples of quick bread that are generally more tender and crumbly than yeast bread. It is used for sweeter tasting sandwiches and are best for tea sandwiches. So thank you for listening. Those are the different types of bread.